So what up, guys? It's gonna be my first video for today for 2021. Yeah,
They
it's my
ask
first
you how you
video.
are, you just have to say that you're.
And we're working on my, first car that I had. It's my first car for high school. It's a 91 Civic Hatchback. And today we're gonna do a radio install and some door speakers. So stick around if you're interested on the video and check out the install. Alright guys, so this is some of the tools you might need for this kind of install. I'm going to do some strippers, electrical tape, some, harness tape, some heat shrink. I'm going to use from, a gas station. I bought a torch, I guess you can say. So I got this cheapo $15 Walmart one. I bought a secondhand Kenwood radio. I think it'll sound better, do better, all. But yeah. So I guess first things first, I already had a aftermarket radio harness. We're gonna be taking all that off. Goodbye to this one. It did the trick for the time being, but it really doesn't work as good as I think this next one will. So for this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut all these out before the butt crimp connector. Sorry the video got cut off. This is the first time me doing a video on my own, so we'll see how it goes. Comment down below if the videos are cringy. And people saying that I shouldn't be taking this fuse out. I really don't like this type of inline fuse. And if it's gonna blow, it'll blow on the car fuse anyways. But sorry about that, guys. It keeps cutting off. It's pretty much I had it set up where the camera kept cutting off, but this is what we're working with. And we're just gonna have to, color match these harnesses and go from there. So if people don't know, the most important wires are, I guess, to get the radio to turn on is your red and your red, black, and yellow. Those are the main ones you want. I always like to cut all the wires in length all the way across. That way, they're all the same length. So we'll strip these wires. So you try to make a match at least, where they're all matching the same length once you strip the wires. One thing I would say, don't forget to put your heat shrink on there before you start soldering your wires, because yeah, that definitely will once you forget, you gotta undo the wires and redo it again. So I used to fan them out and put them together that way, but now I just twist them together this way, and it hasn't ever failed me. So let's heat up your solder, heat up the wire itself, and here it is. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy like that. I'll do a couple more wires and go from there. Do the heat shrink. after that. Simple like that. So we're back. I had a big oopsie moment. See, I put 2 heat shrinks on one, but it'll live. I'll put some tape on that one. But these are the speaker wires for the radio itself. The car only comes with 2 car speakers, so if you're wondering why I'm not peeling back the other ones, that's why. And like I said, it's just really just matching the colors. Alrighty. So there it is. We just gotta put the heat shrinks over it, and that's pretty much it. So I guess this is a satisfying part. We just start slipping these heat shrink over it. Some people use a heat gun to do these heat shrinks. I like using the torch itself. I think it's a little bit faster, but if you hold it on the same spot for a while, it'll definitely burn through it. This is the one that I double, so we'll be putting tape on that one. And yeah, go ahead, I bite into tape. There it is. You can also heat that up too. So there it is. I'll be looming it here in a little bit. This blue wire right here, where it's at, maybe you can use this one for the app if you ever plan to put an app on your car, which I'll be putting one eventually down the line. But for the time being, we're just gonna loom this and zip tie it, and it'll look all pretty. This is pretty much me making the wiring a little bit more cleaner. You can use electrical tape. I use this. I ordered it off of eBay. I think it was like $5 for like 3 rolls. And look at that, guys. Almost, I guess, looks close to stock. But just some little pointers. You don't have to use it. But that's that. I guess we'll go try on to see how it turned out on the car itself. We're back in the car. Now it comes to plugging in the harness and see how it works out. Hoping the antenna reaches. If not, we might have to get like an extender. But you know what? I don't plan on using an antenna, but I guess for a scenario if your phone dies, I guess. So we'll be folding those tabs in. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah. So far, it's not looking like it's working, guys. What did I get myself into?
What? What the fuck?
Alright, guys, we got it to turn on. We're here by the door now. So it has these 2 screws. Now, I need a little bit of a spin on this one. And that's what it looks like. Look at that, guys. Yeah, these needed to be changed. My understanding, those speakers should be a direct fit. Not all update y'all guys, but it should be a direct bolt on. Look at that, there's some Pioneers. Hey, that's so crazy. I guess for those that like the unboxing videos, I guess we can do a little bit of a unboxing. So that's what to expect out of the box. And they're puny. But I guess if we were to compare, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if it's going to be a direct fit. Looks like, yeah. So far it looks like it's going to fit. Yep. So, simple as that. I'm believing this goes like that. That goes like that. And put on your screws. It always makes me nervous whenever I screw new speakers, because I'm scared I'm gonna slip off and then tear the speaker. Those that have done it, I guess, can relate. So they're about a hair off there. It's not directly gonna fit, but I think we can definitely make it work. I think we can put all 3 bolts and then find I guess a happy medium in a sense. So we're gonna be putting the cover back on. I don't know if you can hear in the camera, but the static is confirming that they do work. But yeah, pretty simple install. If you have a EF of some sort, they're pretty simple to work on. And that's that. How about that? So let me go ahead and hop on the other side and do the other side. Alright guys, so I'm doing the other side. I'm probably going to time lapse this one because I pretty much explained the other one. Alright, so we got that one to work. How about that? Yeah. I don't think I did that right. Well, it seems like that's so there it is. All right, so there's that. All right, so there it is. How about that static? Yeah. Well, that was that. I guess subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos about the EF.